This presentation is going to look at the professional discussion. So, this is the final piece of the jigsaw. It's the last thing you have to do before you finish your qualification. By this stage, everything has been completed, handed in and marked. So where will this discussion take place? Well, it'll either be completed in college or via Zoom. Who's it with? Well, it's with an external assessor from City and Guilds. So it's not from anyone in the college. This is someone who will go around each of the colleges and interview all of the students. Who marks it? It's marked by the external assessor, and once you're passed, you're free. So what's the discussion all about? The main thing is, don't panic. The purpose of the professional discussion is to allow you to reflect on the knowledge, skills and understanding that you have shown in the practical project. It's your opportunity to talk about what you've built, how well it went, and what lessons you've learned. The maximum duration is 40 minutes, and it's worth 20% of the whole of the qualification. So the external assessor will be given all of your project work at least 2 weeks before the discussion. So this will include things like the planning, photographs from the build, your evaluation, and also the reports by the assessor. You will be given information on the topics that will be discussed at least 5 days before the assessment, and you'll be allowed to take in all of your project notes to help you. So what topics will be included? First of all, the project. So you're going to evaluate how you did. Talk about the project you completed. What did you build? Where did you build it? Did the tasks run smoothly? How did the planning help with the project? What were your strengths and weaknesses? How did the handover go? What information did you pass on to the next trades and the customer? You'll then look at your future career, so you can talk about your current work situation, and then how will the lessons from this project help in your future career? What future career options are there for bricklayers? And what potential direction do you want to follow? And then finally, you'll look at communications. So you'll be able to talk about the working relationships you've developed on site and think about co-workers, managers and customers. You'll talk about what effective communication is and how it helps. And then finally, look at a brief discussion on different building methods, tools and resources in Wales. How has this changed through the years? Finally, marking of the discussion. So the assessor will mark the discussion and he'll give you a provisional grade within 1 week of completion. Unfortunately, if you fail a section, you'll have to retake the whole discussion, but we'll give you some additional support in the college. And if you've passed, your overall grade will be calculated as a pass, merit or distinction. So, congratulations, you've finished. What did you actually do? You will have completed 2 exams, which counts towards 20% of your marks. You will have completed your practical project, which counts towards 60% of your marks. And you've finally done your professional discussion, which is the final 20% of the marks. So these 3 sections count towards your level 3 qualification, and you'll be awarded either a pass, a merit or a distinction. You'll have also completed your site diary, and your employer will have signed the employer confirmation booklet. And what that does is confirm that you're competent in all the areas of brickwork. And your site diary is used as backup evidence for that document. This helps you gain your CSCS card. And that's it. Level 3 completed.